Alright, I have this HybridRacing Dip Stick. My buddy gave it to me because it wasn't making a great seal. All I did was add a washer, an O-ring seal, O-ring washer there, or O-ring seal up here, right there. I got this kit from Harbor Freight, and I just used one of the smallest. It's not smallest, but I believe maybe it is like maybe that one right there, the 3/8. I went ahead and put it in, and now, before it didn't used to sandwich it to make it fat, and now it does. It makes it fat now. You see it right there compressing. Trying to get it to focus. Come on, stupid focus. Oh gosh. Alright, there we are. And see it getting fatter. Sweet. So in case this keeps popping off, that is going to be the fix. Let's go give it a try. Alright, and there it is. And yeah, like I can't even compress it down. Oh, it's not going anywhere. Look, I had to pop it open. Huh? Let's see. Solid. Fuck yeah, that was the fix. Thanks, Donnie. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.